Smart Life. Live smart and be healthy for good. Folks, air conditioner, a nice equipment. It helps to provide good environment indoors. But don't be deceived, it is a hazard. Risk initially poor air quality due to dirty filters. Evaporator coil blocks dust, refrigerator leaks, warm air from vents, flew when adjusted improperly, and other health issues. Malfunctioning if on with doors or windows open. Precautions. Run a regular servicing to clean the filters for best airflow. Adjust the temperature. Switch it off if not necessary. Inspect it from time to time. Switch it on with closed doors and windows. Get a technician for technical issues. Don't take chances risking being involved in incidents. This is smart behavior at home. Smart Life. Live smart and be healthy for good.